Hey, another video. Today we are playing Monks. I meant Monk. It's spelled M-O-N-K. It's all uppercase, by the way, guys. Make sure you spell it right. And this is the game. So as you can see, we are literal monkey. The mirror is kind of glitchy, buggy, by the way, so it might look like pixels. But as you can see, we have abs in this game.
There's another side.
That's just mine. It sucks. There's really nothing in there. Anyways, and this is cosmetics. I have this cone. I punched my fist. I'm sorry, guys.
How do I
Okay, so it should say your currency of crystal shards. That's the currency of the game. And you can buy anything you want. And you got the top hat, you got the beanie, you got the monkey chain, you got the earpiece, and then you got the baseball cap. By the way, don't buy this. Don't buy this anymore. This is not available anymore.
Yeah, I know, it's $5.
No, this isn't available. You can't buy this, by the way, guys. Okay. You cannot buy this anymore. It is unavailable. So, really, you can't buy it. Anyways, let's go. So, first, so you want to play,
We're decorated monks. I like our flashlight. It's fun.
Yeah, you want to do it again?
Sure.
Let's see a flashlight. There's a house that plays creepy music, and there's like, look, follow me. I'll show you it. Dude, don't fall down there. Like, you see how there's rocks right here?
Yeah.
You're on the climb.
Dude, I know how to play this game.
I like funny man. Huh? You fell? World record time!
I died. Here,
I know.
Did you want to show me?
Wait, Danny, we're not gonna do that. I want you to explore the game and follow me. Look who they have here. They have Duck Bust, the creator of Capuchin. When will the remake come out? This game though.
Hey, what was the house with the creepy music?
Follow me. I'll show you it. It's kind of disturbing.
Why?
Because it sounds weird.
I had a fan on. And if
you see it over there? You see that over there? Yeah, you hear that music?
Yep.
By the way, don't get scared. It's not really anything creepy. It's literally a mask. Dream's mask and a box that says banana. And then you have Kong, creator of the game Kong. Yeah. Anyways, let's dive right into the game now.
I hate that thing.
What? Kong?
No, that noise.
Me too.
Wait, there's different game modes?
No, this is the only game mode available right now.
How come it says next?
Yeah, there's no other game mode. There's really just this one. In the future, they're planning. No! I fell! Dude, just fall in the water. Fall in the water. We need to restart. We have to wait for the timer then. Gosh dang it.
Monkey.
In the meanwhile, let's fight since we have abs. Dude, I'm Conehead. Bong. Bong.
Golly.
Bong.
Go.
It's almost done. The timer's almost done. Bong. Bong.
I beat Dookie, your rhinoceros. Oh.
Wait, you want to see something really funny? Watch this.
Wait a minute. Whoop.
I'm dizzy.
10.
Wait, how does it look from your POV? Look at like so. I just want to know how it looks.
It's
Hey,
hilarious.
Goofy!
You can watch it yourself. Hold on.
Raise. Wait, what?
Yeah, there's no more.
Wait, check. Who's Raise? Who's Raise? Who is Raise? Dude. Oh. Dude, where'd you go? Danny?
I'm behind you.
Shit. You fell! Run, dude!
I'm a noob.
You really are, buddy. I'm sorry I had to prove that fact.
I fell. I'm stuck in the...
Scammer, get scammed. Hey, I'm a controller. There we go. Boom!
Dude, yeah? I know.
I'm Giga Chad.
I can't even start the game.
Who is Raze? I think that person's in another server. That's right. No. I was about to fall. Oh, you're right there! You almost... I hit something. See ya later, dude.
No!
You fell, didn't you? This music's sick. I love it. Yippee! Monkey! Say yippee! I'm gonna wait until water all the way rises up here. Yippee! Who's in here? Who's there?
Where is he?
Where's you?
Shoot him down! Ah!
I'm here. Hi.
Hi.
Frog. Frog.
I can't even click the start button.
Yeah, I only can.
What? Oh, you're the mod.
Yeah. Okay, Raze, we don't care about you now. Oh, follow me, Danny. Follow me. You want to see a disturbing Easter egg?
Yeah.
Really disturbing.
What is it?
A
That's a
monkey
dead
body.
monk.
It's a dead monkey.
Let's get out of here.
I know, it's disturbing, right?
Yeah. Let's go start the flash flood again.
Nah, I don't want to do flash flood.
I want to do a flash flood again. I like the flash flood.
I might put an outro to the video after this one. Alright guys, this is the last match. By the way guys, make sure to check out C9 Lucas. The Elsa one, by the way. He was streaming. I joined. Yeah, he's a really good person. You guys should subscribe to him. And my cousin as well. He's almost at 100. Make sure to get him to 100 by the end of this year. We need it. Really, we need it. Because you guys have been giving us some support lately, not lately. And yeah, I feel really proud that we're at 12 right now. 12 subscribers. You mean I did it? I just won that round. Anyways,
We closing out the video?
yeah, we're closing out the video right now, dude. Come on. Famous outro.
Hold on.
No, I can't.
Wait for me.
No, I can't. No, I can't. Wait to get out of here. We're in exact sides.
Wait. Hey, yo! Look at this.
No, I can't. Wait to get.
Ow! Dan, look at me.
Alright, dude. We're closing out the video. See you tomorrow, guys. Yeah.
Peace.
Peace.